Hi viewers, and welcome back to fitnessvault. Today I will tell you how to gain weight by adding 5 high-protein foods to your diet. Before starting, let me tell you one thing: some people wish to lose weight while some want to gain a few extra pounds. But we should remember that we all have different body types and are beautiful in our way. However, to the people who want to put on some extra kilos, this video is undoubtedly helpful. Keep watching. The first one is milk. Drinking milk may add extra calories to your diet in addition to protein and other healthy components. Milk has a lot of calories and protein. Based on studies, drinking it after working out could lead to healthy weight gain and lean muscle growth. To increase your intake, try drinking a glass of milk with each meal or add it to other foods like eggs, breakfast cereal, and smoothies. Here comes the second, which is rice. Rice can be used as a source of calories and carbohydrates. It is an essential food and an excellent source of fiber-rich, non-fattening carbohydrates. However, many people think that it is the primary cause of several diseases, such as obesity and diabetes, among many other problems. But the question is rice to be blamed? Or is it the people who consume it inappropriately? Compared to other foods, eating too much rice might result in weight gain. Make portion control a habit and choose to pair it with vegetables. Next, nuts. These nuts are healthy choices for you: cashews, almonds, pecans, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, raisins, Brazil nuts, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds. The sugar and calories in dry fruits are high. To gain weight, eat more than 20 grams of dry fruit. When consumed in excess, dates can cause weight gain even though they are high in iron and dietary fiber. This is because sugar makes up a great deal of nutritional value. Similarly, cashew nuts, which are also strong in protein and fiber, can help you with gaining weight. The best thing about dry fruits is that they are high in saturated fat and low in trans fat and cholesterol, which are both unhealthy types of fat. Then comes banana. You can gain weight if you consume more bananas than you usually eat or if you combine them with other high-calorie foods. Bananas include fiber, which can slow down digestion and make you feel more satisfied. These elements can support someone in managing their weight. Because bananas naturally contain sugar, they won't be quickly absorbed. As a result, unlike additional sweets, it does not lead to excess weight gain or glucose rise. Irrespective of seasoning, bananas are easily available and affordable. You can eat them as a quick snack anytime. You can add them to your morning breakfast, or you can make smoothies with them as per your taste. The last but most important one is eggs. Eggs are among the best foods in the world for building muscle. They provide a reasonable, affordable, and excellent blend of exceptional proteins and fats. The entire egg must be consumed. In fact, an egg's yolk contains the majority of its beneficial contents. As long as you don't have an egg sensitivity or allergy, most otherwise healthy people don't need to limit their egg consumption. You can easily eat 3 eggs every day if you'd like. There are several ways to cook eggs, including boiling, poaching, frying, baking, and scrambling. These are some of the foods which help you promote weight gain. So, please share this video with your friends and family to help them gain weight. Thank you for watching. See you soon.